Hi, I'm Andy.
I'm Jo. This is Blues in the Vine, November 2023, Slow Ballroomin Blues.
Yes, our first little class of the day. We did some quick exercises around hips. Isolations.
And then you can isolate your ribs as well.
Yep, and ribs.
Then we did a really fun move called Stir the Pot.
Yes. So this move is all about this creating this diagonal movement away from each other and doing this nice hip rotation through. So it creates this nice stirring action. I'm thinking more about stirring my partner rather than myself, but I don't mind getting a little bit of a stir in there anyway.
Yeah.
But again, we started in close embrace and then
So the important things are, I'm feeling this from my lead. I can feel a little ramp up in tension and in tone. And then Andy sends my hips backwards diagonally to my right. And because we're still connected at the shoulders, all this momentum has nowhere to go but around. So I'm going to go back, around, and then I'm going to stand up.
yeah.
And you want to make this smooth. We talked a little bit about bullet time in the Matrix, that slow motion.
Bullet time.
And you know, you definitely slower is better.
Yep. Not too wide a stance.
Yeah,
it is
doing it like
going to be split weight because you are naturally going to be shifting. Well, split, but you are going to shift weight from left to right as you go through. And
Could you quickly show that with my back?
yes. So from here, and then from this angle. Cool.
That's
and
move
then
number one.
we did our underarm turn into a mega.
Drop turn. This is
mega
the giant
traveling.
swooshy turn.
Yeah, this is a big showy move. This is all
Yeah.
about flash and bang.
Fireworks.
Yeah. So we've just got a nice little basic, and then we do nice gentle underarm turn.
Cross hand.
Now because Joe's into that rolling,
I'm moving backwards
I'm
and he is
following, and I'm going to redirect that through, up and over, and I come down into this nice little lunge as well. That's just personally a nice way of decelerating and not just going.
and then it's like, yeah.
So through, up and over, and I'm thinking about that straight line of travel.
I've moved like maybe 3 meters, it's a lot.
Yep.
So obviously if you're on a very crowded dance floor, approach with caution.
Yeah, if your partner is, if you've set up the travel, follow that travel through and you think about a straight line and the straight line will happen.
Tips for the follows, as in all overhead turns, keep your hand in front of your head and use your back muscles across your shoulder blades to maintain your frame. Don't ever allow your hand to push behind your head. If that happens, snatch the hand away and protect yourself.
Yep, it's an outside turn, an outside lock turn. So I'm locking up here with a nice hand held, like high five, and then it's that same nice hand through, and then I just add a little bit of handshake grip
To
again.
just help me to decelerate.
Just to decelerate.
And then the other thing is, it's a simple step-step rhythm, but
Yep.
I will typically speed up through the turn. There's a lot of momentum there.
Yep, one more time. So here, up, through, and then I might do a nice little J turn into
And
the
into
close,
close.
and then just turn it out.
Yep.
Cool.
That's
and that
it.
was everything.